Can the spouse of a convicted felon own a gun in their home? Attorney Ronald Hedding explains. As a probationer or a convicted felon, you run a huge risk by living in a home that has a weapon owned by your spouse. You yourself could definitely get in trouble. The police get people all the time. If a person is on probation and they have a team search the person's home and find a weapon, then, because they are living in that home, they will be arrested. They will say, "That's not my weapon. I don't own that weapon." It doesn't matter. You have what's called constructive possession of the weapon, meaning you have access to it. They don't want felons having access to weapons. They're much more likely to do something violent and dangerous according to law. Felons run a huge risk if there's a weapon in the location that they're living. The person whose weapon it is would be fine because they're allowed to have the weapon in their home as long as they're not a felon. The only time they would have to give up that weapon is if you're living with a felon or someone on felony probation who has search terms in the probation department. They can come in and search and you can't stop it. Say, why I don't have any search terms. I don't live with somebody who's on felony probation, for example. So that's the right that the person gives up who owns a home or the gun who's not a felon. This is because they're living with somebody who doesn't have the Fourth Amendment right against unreasonable searches and seizures. Contact Los Angeles criminal defense attorney Ronald D. Hedding today. It will take a top-level, local, experienced, savvy Los Angeles criminal defense attorney to handle your case. The Hedding Law Firm has been involved with criminal defense for many years and is well respected in the Los Angeles criminal defense community.